How do render farms work? The benefits of using a render farm for your 3D rendering needs. As businesses continue to explore the potential of 3D visualization in various fields such as architecture, product design, animation, and gaming, the need for efficient 3D rendering processes becomes increasingly vital. The process of rendering 3D graphics is often time-consuming and requires significant computing power. Fortunately, a solution exists in the form of render farms, which provide a cost-effective and efficient way to render large-scale projects. What is a render farm? A render farm is a powerful network of computers working together to efficiently render your 3D frames. With access to a render farm, your projects can meet tight deadlines, without the need for you to wait for days or weeks to complete the rendering process on your own computer. So, how do render farms actually work? It's not magic, but rather a clever utilization of nodes. A node is a computer that is part of a larger group of computers whose sole purpose is to render frames. These nodes are controlled by a render management software, which acts as the render overlord, instructing each node to render individual frames simultaneously. This allows for multiple frames to be rendered quickly and efficiently. To illustrate this point, let's say you have a 10-second animation running at 30 frames per second, and it takes 1 hour to render each frame on your personal computer. Rendering the entire project would take you 300 hours, which is almost 2 weeks. However, if you send your project to a render farm, 100 nodes can render your entire project in just 3 hours. During that time, you can continue to work on your own computer, or even take a break and play your favorite video game. In summary, render farms provide a powerful solution for those who need to render large 3D projects in a timely and efficient manner. By utilizing the collective power of many computers working together, rendering times are drastically reduced, allowing for quicker turnaround times and improved project efficiency. A render farm works by users submitting their rendering job to a centralized server, which then distributes the workload to individual machines in the network. Each machine is optimized for rendering, allowing them to process the job much faster than a standard desktop computer. Once all the machines have completed their respective parts of the rendering job, the results are compiled and sent back to the user. At RenderNow, we strive to simplify the rendering process for our clients. We understand that automated services can often be confusing and require technical knowledge, which is why we provide a personalized service. All you have to do is upload your files and a dedicated render wrangler will handle your project from start to finish. Our experts will guide you through the entire process, providing valuable knowledge to help reduce costs and meet deadlines. In addition, we offer troubleshooting support to help you overcome any issues that may arise. With our extra layer of support, you can rest assured that your deadlines will be met and your clients will be satisfied. If you require any rendering assistance, feel free to chat with us using the Let's Chat feature on our website. Benefits of using a render farm. Faster rendering times. With a render farm, users can significantly reduce the time it takes to render a 3D project. This allows businesses to meet tight deadlines and deliver projects to clients more quickly. Cost-effective. Investing in hardware upgrades to meet the demands of rendering large-scale projects can be prohibitively expensive. Using a render farm, however, allows businesses to access high-performance computing power without having to invest in expensive hardware. Scalability. Render farms are highly scalable, meaning that users can add or remove machines from the network as needed to meet the demands of their projects. This flexibility makes it easy for businesses to adjust their computing resources based on project requirements. Access to high-end hardware. Render farms typically use high-end hardware optimized for rendering tasks. This means that users can access cutting-edge technology without having to invest in expensive hardware themselves. Reduce downtime. By distributing rendering tasks across multiple machines, a render farm can reduce the risk of downtime due to hardware failure or other issues. This ensures that projects are completed on time and on budget. Improved quality. Render farms can significantly improve the quality of 3D renderings by providing access to advanced lighting and shading technology. This can result in more realistic and visually stunning graphics. In conclusion, a render farm is an excellent investment for businesses looking to improve the efficiency and quality of their 3D rendering processes. By providing access to high-performance computing power, scalability, and advanced hardware and software technology, render farms offer significant benefits to businesses in various industries. From faster rendering times to improved quality, the advantages of using a render farm are clear.